Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Welcome back to my YouTube channel viewers. How are you all, my YouTube community and my sweet friends? I hope my all the lovely viewers are good and healthy. So Allah bless you all and always be happy friends. First of all, thank you so much viewers for watching my all the previous videos and supporting me. I am very happy to see this and I am very thankful to you for your this favor. Secondly, you can see friends, in this video we are providing you most amazing and trending crop top and most designing collection of crochet blouses. So viewer, please don't skip the video, watch the video start to end because all of these designs are so stunning, so unique and very useful. I hope viewers you all love these type of beautiful collection. So viewers, share this video with your family and sweet friend who want these type of most attractive and most trending design of handmade crochet top, and it's a crop top. I really hope that they will love these beautiful and popular ideas. You know guys, different people have different choices and they love different type of colors and designs. So in this video you will see different colors, different decent and unique designs of handmade crochet blouse top ideas. So pick your favorite one and must make these beautiful article for yourself for more beautiful and outstanding looks, for the glamorous looks. Thank you viewer for watching this video. For those people who searching beautiful and outclass collection, it's very amazing, very trending collection for them. They will get new designs, new ideas related to your crochet articles. Now viewer, I am share with you some benefits of crochet crop top. These are the benefits. A crochet crop top can be a lovely and unique addition to your wardrobe. Here are some benefits. It's a breathability. Crochet allows for airflow and moisturize, keeping you cool and comfortable. Flexibility. Crochet fabric stretches and with you and providing a full range of motion. Unique style. Crochet crop top offer a distinctive handmade look that sets you apart. Customization, and you can choose your preferred yarn, your favorite color and pattern to match your style. Sustainable fashion. By making your own crochet top, you reduce your environmental impacts. Empowerment. Wearing something you created can boost confidence and self expression. Comfortable. Crochet fabric can be soft and gentle on the skin. Versatility. Pair with shorts, skirts and pants for different looks. So I hope you all are understand with the benefits of crochet crop tops. Weavers creating exactly that what you want. Crocheting allows you to customize your clothing or and your to your preference. It's a cost effective. Crochet is an affordable hobby, and because you only need to purchase a hook and yarn. Self expression. Crocheting is a great way to express yourself thought art. Helping your community, you can make items to donate to local charities. Inexpensive and unique gifts. Crocheting allows you to create personalized gifts. Building a community. Join a crochet club and or groups allow you to meet new people and develop friendships. Relaxation and stress management. Crocheting is a recommended as a form of therapy for those with anxiety and depression. Reduced risk of memory loss. Crocheting stimulates the brain and strengthens memory. Personal growth. Crocheting allow for self improvement and confidence building. I hope you all are understand with the benefits of crochet top and crochet makings. So must make these beautiful article. You can see all the designs, all the color combination and all the Patterns are very interesting, can be designed with built-in support and compressions, providing comfort and relief for the bust. Crocheting can be a calming and therapeutic activity. Making your own bralette top and other top can save you money compared to buying them. And versatile, can be worn on its own layered under jackets and cardigans for paired with a skirt and shorts. Your crochet bralette top and other top will be one of a kind piece reflecting your personal style. Crochet bralette top and other tops, crop top, are often easy to wash and dry, making them a practical choice. Crocheting a crop top is a great way to create a comfortable, stylish, and sustainable garments while enjoying the benefits of handmade crafting. I hope viewer you all are understand. And now viewer I am share with you the main question in all the beginners mind, what is the crochet? Crochet is a popular handicraft that involves using a hook and yarn to create a fabric. It's a hobby, it's a great hobby for those who enjoy making things with their hands, and it can be very relaxing. Here are some popular crochet projects: blankets, afghans, hats, beanies, and scarf and other decorative items with flowers, leaves, and snowflakes. If you are interested in learning how to crochet, I can offer basic stitches and techniques, step by step instruction for basics and beginners, tips and tricks for improving your skills, pattern and tutorials for various projects, advice on choosing the right yarn and hook. Just tell me, just let me know what you need help with, and I will do my best to assist you. So I am share with you some fun facts about crochet. Crochet is a French word. Its meaning is hook. The first known evidence of crochet is dates back to 1824 in South America, and the first known evidence you can see. And crochet was originally used to make a wide range of clothing accessories and home decor. The most common crochet hook materials are used material are aluminium, steel, and wood. Crochet has many health benefits, including reducing stress, improving fine motor skills, and promoting relaxation. The world's largest crochet hook was over 6 feet tall and 2 inches wide. Crochet is a popular hobby worldwide, and million people love these beautiful articles. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced crocheter, there's always something new to learn and create. So happy crocheting. One more time, I am telling you viewers, if you want any type of question about crochet, so share your question. I can reply you as soon as possible. It's a popular handicraft, and it's amazing that involves using a hook and yarn to create a fabric. And if you are looking for crochet resources, I can offer tutorials. I can provide step by step instruction for basic stitches, crochet stitches and techniques, pattern. I can offer a wide range of crochet pattern for various projects from scarf to blankets and afghans to toys. Tips and tricks, I can share helpful tips and tricks for improving your crochet skills or avoiding common mistakes. Would you like to know or make? Let me know, and I will do my best to assist you. I hope you all are understand with all the benefits, all the instructions, all the tips and tricks. So if you want any type of crochet article, share your experience with us, and share your what you like. And viewers, thank you so much for watching this video. So viewer, if you all love these articles and if you want more design and more ideas, like my video, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for the new and latest update. So viewer, when you press the bell icon, you receive the notification of my recently uploading videos. Be connected with me friends, and remember me in your precious prayers. Okay, my lovely friend. See you soon. Take care and Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.